So this is the power adapter, normal sort. You plug it in, it changes the AC into a lower voltage DC usually. You can read on it, it gives you all the information. This one's 12 volt, 230 volts AC to DC 12 volt. And it tells you here that the positive is in the centre and the negative is on the outer. So plug it in, and I'm going to set my meter to volts DC. So we're expecting over 12 volts here. So neutral to the outside, well, negative to the outside, positive inside, and there you go, it's showing 23 volts, which is quite a lot. I wasn't expecting that much, but under load it will definitely drop. They usually put more power in to give more amperage. So, but that is quite a lot for 12 volt. So that's it. Just the negative on the outside, the positive on the centre,